Okay, let's try a simple interest example question here. We did talk about the difference between simple interest and compound interest in the previous video. And just to recap, simple interest is when the interest is calculated on the initial amount put into the bank account or wherever that's being invested, as opposed to calculating interest on the previous year. And we have the formula for simple interest here on the left-hand side. So the future value is equal to the present value, which is just the amount invested, multiplied by the brackets of 1 plus the annual interest rate, and this is as a decimal, multiplied by the number of years t. Now let's work that through with an example question. I invest $600 into a simple interest bank account for 5 years, earning an annual interest rate of 6%. Now I want to find out how much do I have at the end of the 5 years. So let's just jot down the information that we know. The present value or amount that I initially deposit was $600. The interest rate is 6%. And as a decimal, 6% is 0.06. And my number of years is equal to 5. So with these three pieces of information, I can find my future value, which is the amount that will be in the bank account at the end of the 5 years. So let's apply this formula here. The present value is 600 multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate is, I'll put this in another bracket here, 0.06 multiplied by time, which is 5. And I can use my calculator from there. Let's bring the calculator up. Okay, 600 multiplied by 1 plus 0.06, which is 6% as a decimal, multiplied by 5, so $780. That is the amount of money that will be in the bank account at the end of the 5-year period. And this is an example of a simple interest question. In the next video, we're going to be doing a compound interest question. See you then.